Bobi Wine yamugamba General Museveni n'awakana naye olwaleero amaze n'akkiriza ebyo nnyini Kyagulanyi bye yamugamba ali mu America ali mu US ng'amugamba ekintu kyekimu General Museveni ng'agamba eyo group ya Kyagulanyi nja kugimalaho kaakati akkiriza baganda bafe bali mu uniform bannamagye aba UPDF ne poliisi General Museveni akakasizza buli ebigambo Kyagulanyi bye yali abagamba bulijjo babiwulira atawulya batandise envunvumo zitandise eyo baagala muvumbagira kiratandise okukaayana bannange nkimanyi embeera gye mulimu mbi nnyo nkimanyi oyo Kyagulanyi yababuzaabuza ne bannange sooka owulire bino.
I cannot allow impunity in our system, even on the side of the security forces. In 2021, there was the death of a Ugandan nicknamed Zebra in the Kawempe area in unclear circumstances after he got in touch with our security forces. I had to organize Okukaraba blood settlement with his family in Entebbe State House here. It is therefore the impunity promoters that have been inviting the security forces to finally do something. It is the security forces that die to keep peace in Uganda and in our turbulent region. If the security forces give their lives to keep peace in the country, why can't some of the political actors give up their egos and greed to make a contribution to that peace? Because the security people die. They give their lives in situations created by all these people. And all you are asked is not to die, is not to sweat, is simply to behave responsibly, that's all. And they are not able to do that. It is therefore, in order for us to insist on full accountability and no impunity for our words or our actions, accountable for your words and for your actions, fully accountable. I hope these comments have illuminated what the gaps were and why the limited supportive actions of the security forces to the rule of law in the country. Once we have known the why and the what, then there is the issue of the how. The how. This is an issue we handled from other days of our resistance, and I will share it with you separately so as not to render this piece too long. We now come to the issue of trade order that the Inter-Religious Council also raised. One of the points mentioned by a number of people is that hawkers have been earning a living by violating common sense and selling products on the sidewalks, etc. I told the bishops and the sheikhs that I can see that I'm in real trouble. Very soon, I will be charged for damaging the business of the coffin makers by reducing the death of Ugandans from AIDS, Corona, Ebola, measles. The coffin makers are going to say, Museveni, you have spoiled our business. People are not dying enough. You have stopped people from dying from AIDS. You have stopped people from dying from Ebola. Corona killed a few people. You are damaging our business. Business of making coffins. Yes, the coffin makers will lose business because it was a bad business that was at the expense of society. Instead, we should make chairs and beds for Ugandans that did not die. Hawking is an economy and health killer. Buta ebyenfuna ne buta bono n'ebyobulamu. This hawking is a killer of economy, a killer of health. It kills the economy by denying the users of the shops and the markets business, because customers buy from the hawkers who do not pay tax because they are not identifiable. They are not identifiable. They do not pay rent. The people in the shops are paying rent. They are paying taxes. These ones are selling without paying tax, without paying rent. What sort of economy is that? They do not. How will the economy survive if people do not pay taxes on rent or pay taxes on sales? Because when I sell, I pay tax. I also pay tax on rent. Now, if those are not there, how will the economy survive? On the issue of health, having products exposed to the atmosphere, including food, is very dangerous. Yet the one who sells a dangerous product is not identifiable. Then there's the issue of blocking pedestrians from using the sidewalks and forcing them to compete with the cars and the bodabodas on the narrow roads. This means accidents, road jams, etc. Selling must be in shops, markets, or supermarkets. Even there, it must be registered so that you are accountable for what you sell and you also pay tax. The local governments should look into the possibility of giving land for workplaces for the hawkers that have been sent away from the sidewalks. However, even there, everybody must be licensed, identifiable, accountable, and must be paying taxes. Coming to the issue of the wetlands, this shows you how unpatriotic some Ugandans can be. Who does not know what a wetland is? Ekisaru, Orutobazi, Omuga, Nyanja are known even by a child. You don't have to be an name expert. You just need to be a Ugandan. You know what is all these things. Ekisaru, Omuga, Orutobazi, you know. Our people know. Nobody can say that I came to the wetland without knowing that it was a wetland, because the features are unmistakable. Water, Gugu, Cypripedium latifolia, Ebitogo, etc. Ever since 1986, we have been telling you about the forests, the wetlands. Yet, except for the Busoga, Bukedde, and Kigezi areas, most of the swamps in other parts of Uganda were not encroached on. Mabera forests had been encroached on by the population because Idi Amin had told them that forests had no value. When we came into government, we chased all the encroachers, and Mabera forests came back. However, these days, when I fly over Mabera Forest, I see some smoke in the forest here and there. Does it mean that some people are making charcoal in the forest? Where is the National Forest Authority? Where are the chiefs of the surrounding administrative units? They will have to answer. With Busoga, Bukedde, and Kigezi, I have been trying to build up a fund to compensate the people in the swamps by shifting them to fish farming and to other enterprises, because it was the colonial government that misled our people into those swamps, saying that it had been done in Holland and I don't know where else. Yet, it is a disaster for us. It is estimated that 40% of our rain comes from the local wetlands, and those in Congo and South Sudan. What is the proof? Why does West Nile get 1,270 to 1,524 millimeters of rain per year, and Karamoja only gets 700 to 900 millimeters, yet they are on the same latitude? I would have explained these points, but I'm rushing because I'm told that you are dying to go and watch World Cup, and I'm not World Cup. So I'm rushing. I would have explained more. Because
ndowooza owulira jjajjaffe bulijjo ebintu Kyagulanyi byennyini byamugamba kati byali mu kwogerako ng'alaga nti abirwanyisa ayagala okutereeza naye nga yeyayonoona ebibira n'abisawa n'abimalawo, yayonoonye entobazi n'azoona n'azisengesamu abantu mbw'ate okumuyeekera alowooza mbu wanabeerawo ebibira bayeekera bajja kwekwekamu ne Kyagulanyi, ajja kwekamu ne bafotosoja bamulumbe bakube bamugje ku ntebe n'abisaanyaawo. Kati ajoboja bayagala okubizaawo wavuda mbu twalwana amabira ne tumuzaawo n'ate ndabayo omukka. What is the National Forest Authority? Kati baani baabuuza ffe abagiteekako oba yateekawo ebitongole bisaanyewo ebibira byonna ewaali ebibira byonna baabirocatinga nti wano waliwo ekyani waliwo ekibira ne babisaanyawo twakyali kibira na kimu mu ggwanga muno nga batyambu nno bajja kwekwekamu abayeekera byonna n'abisaanyawo. Kati ajoboja bakuzaawo bibira byeyasangawo kati omusango agutadde ku Amini mbu Amini yagamba mbu ebibira tebirina mugaso. Okikakasa tewagira mbuyinza tebyaliwo ebibira kati nga bisaanyewo obusaanyi ku mulembe gwo. Mpulidde omukulu ng'agamba ku magye ne poliisi Kyagulanyi bulijjo amugamba ng'awakana. Olaba bannansi tufa ninaabo ab'amagye ne poliisi abakwata mundu bebasinga okufa singa ensi etabanguka kuba bebakoonako essasi cu ku nnyama ffe tusobola okudduka ne twekweka naye bo balina obbakoona. Otegedde kati owulira babayitamu ka sympathy naye nga tabafaako tagala kumanya naye ali ku bibye asaba mukuumira mu buyinza ebirala tomunyumiza. Ye ng'ensi yaki yandibadde mbuza ekyandibadde kitabangula ensi ng'abantu si mu lugobe. Waliwo amawanga agali mu Europe gemmanyi nga n'ebyo simanya magye si bye baliko nga towuliranga nga simanya ejje lya gundi nga tobiwuliranga nako ng'abantu baliyo mu bulamu bwabwe. Tesobola kuzimba nsi wetu nga ne byamagye tubirowoozaako nga weegali naye nga kitwali alowooza ku byamagye mu bata amagye tugende tulumbe tesobola kuzimba nsi ng'eri bwetu kisoboka. Nga tubaana bakulembeza baagala ensi yabwe tulina bannakimululu tulina bannakirimululu tulina bakirimululu General Museveni ataka kuva wano balaba ensi yaffe ebonaabona. Bino Kyagulanyi abimugamba bulijjo ng'awalaza empaka atandise okubiraba. Ibyo bayite Manda Bwanika.